Hello, kids! Welcome to our magical English story time. Today, I will tell you a long and fun story about a little rabbit named Rosie and her big adventure in the forest. This story will help you learn new English words, practice sentences, and have fun at the same time. Are you ready? Let's start. Once upon a time, in a beautiful green forest, lived a little rabbit. Her name was Rosie. Can you say it with me? Rosie. Rosie loved to eat carrots. Carrots are orange, long, and crunchy. Repeat after me. Carrot. Every morning, Rosie would hop, hop, hop around the forest looking for food. She was happy and cheerful. Teach kids, hop, carrot, orange, forest. One sunny day, Rosie found something amazing. She saw a big carrot growing in the ground. She said, "Wow, this carrot is big and delicious." Let's practice. Big carrot. Say it louder. Big carrot. Rosie wanted to pull it out. She said, "I am strong. I can do it." Now repeat after me. I am strong. I can do it. Teach kids, big, wow, strong, I can do it. Rosie pulled and pulled, but the carrot did not move. She said, "Oh no, I need help." So Rosie called her friend a little bird. She said, "Bird, please help me." The bird said, "Yes, let's do it together." Repeat after me. Let's do it together. They both pulled and pulled, but still the carrot stayed in the ground. Teach kids, help, bird, oh no, together. Then Rosie called her friend the cat. "Cat, please help us," she said. The cat said, "Okay, let's try." Now 3 friends pulled the carrot. 1, 2, 3, pull! But the carrot was still stuck. Then came the dog. The dog said, "Woof, I am strong. I will help too." They all pulled and pulled, but nothing happened. Finally, a tiny mouse came running. The mouse said, "Can I help too?" Rosie laughed. "You are so small." But the mouse said, "Small but strong." Repeat after me. Small but strong. Teach kids. Cat, dog, mouse, small, strong, together. Now 5 friends stood together. Rosie, the bird, the cat, the dog, and the mouse. They all shouted, "We can do it together." Repeat after me. We can do it together. 1, 2, 3, pull! Pop! The carrot came out of the ground. Everyone shouted, "We did it!" Say it with me. We did it! They were so happy. They laughed and danced around the big carrot. Teach kids, we did it, happy, dance, laugh, together. Rosie looked at the carrot and said, "This carrot is big, but I cannot eat it alone." So she shared it with her friends. They all said together, "Sharing is good." Now you say it. Sharing is good. Everyone enjoyed the carrot and they promised to always help each other. Teach kids, share, good, promise, help each other. And that is the end of our magical story. Today we learned new words like carrot, bird, cat, dog, mouse, big, strong, small, and sentences like, I can do it. We can do it together. Sharing is good. Stories make English fun and easy. Now, kids, tell me in the comments, who was your favorite character? Rosie, the bird, the cat, the dog, or the mouse? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more magical English stories. Bye-bye!